like you saw from our last video. Oh my god. This is Daisy as well. She doesn't like being on camera, but
just for you guys.
Just for you guys. She'd like to make her appearance. At least we think she will. Anyways, you're probably wondering what we're doing today. We are going
to make a makeover.
Squishy makeovers. We have this kind of deformed cat. A bear in a cup. It's actually really cute. I like this one, but we'll see what I do to it. She has like a rhino, and funny story with this other one that she got, she thought it was a cat.
You gotta say that. So I saw it and I was like, I didn't really pay attention to it, so I was like, oh, this is a cat. I don't know how to open this.
Girl. She likes to struggle.
This is a rhino. It's really
so
cute, actually.
It's so squishy.
Yeah. And this is my cat dog.
Okay, I guess you got it again.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So if you see, I saw it for like the first time, and I swear I thought it was a cat. But it's not. It's a dog with sunglasses. I really like the color though.
It's really cute.
Yeah.
I like it a lot. Anyways, we have all these fabric paints. We use fabric paints because I think it sticks better on it. It doesn't chip as much. And then we got some brushes. And we have sanding. We have to sand it first before we put the paint on.
All the paint off and everything.
Yeah. And kind of get the rough spots.
And we have this.
Alright guys, let's see what we do. I think I'm gonna start with this cat.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with it right now.
Alright guys, let's do this. Alright guys, so we have ours nice and sanded. As you can see, it's a little bright. Sorry, the lighting has to adjust. Yeah, they're kind of... But this is a needed process to just get this extra stuff off so that it's easier to paint and stay on. So, time to paint. So we're mixing our whites. We're just going to put the white in the middle so then we can just mix it to whatever color we want. Guys, we're back. We basically used the hairdryer to help dry it faster. And while we were drying it, we were watching Incredibles on Netflix.
You can't probably see it.
I'll move this camera a little bit so you can see it. Hi!
No, that sound, we're not breaking it. Don't worry.
Alright, so we just had a whole mirror come down on us, if you're wondering what that noise was. We Gucci though.
Yeah, we did.
She just started crying, but it's okay. Alright, so it's been about 2 coats. It's been about 2 coats so far. Alright, so Jasmine's is turning out pretty good. I need to do another layer, as you can tell.
I didn't know it was gonna turn out this pretty, but I really actually like it. It's like, you can really see, it's like a cotton candy type of thing. I just need to do the face and like the details. It's turning out pretty good.
Yeah, I'm liking how it turns out. It's like a cool texture too. Like this is, we didn't realize it till later, but this is puffy paint. So basically, like, puffy paint is like 3-day paint. So like, it like
peel off.
Yeah, it peels off, and we didn't see that until it started peeling off on here.
Yeah.
But it has to be fully dry too. But like you can make like eyeballs like bulge out, and it'll dry that way. So I'm actually pretty excited because I think I want to do the eyes like sticking out, and I think that'll look really cool. So we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, so I don't think I need to do any more coats. I think you can kind of still see the eyes, but I'm just going to go over it with the black. I'm just going to go right over that. Alright guys, so there you have it. Our finished product.
I actually like it better this one.
I think mine definitely, I mean, it's not like,
it's like a little tighter.
Like it has more character to it. Like I like them better now than our old ones.
Yeah, me too.
And it definitely has like the texture of this.
Yeah, like still squishy.
It's so squishy. It feels so good. I hope it's not coming off.
It is dry.
Okay. But yeah, I like the squishiness of it a lot better. But as you can tell, like the black stuff are like 3D. It's from our puffy paint we use. So if you ever like want to make squishies and you want to do like use the puffy paint, I would recommend it just for like the eyes or the stripes, but not as your base coat. So yeah, there you have it. All right, thank you so much for watching our
video. She meant video.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Give us a like, comment, subscribe. Only positive things. Yeah, thanks.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.